Today's product review is on Speed Out. I have a little bit of a situation with these, I'm working on these chop saws in the shop. And I'm just doing some basic maintenance on them, changing the plugs, changing the air filters. But I ran into a little problem. So this is what we're dealing with. This back air filter cover here, it's got these Torx head bolts recessed in there. And I was able to get 3 of them out, but there's one in here I just cannot grip with my tool. It's just stripped out. Now it's not spinning at all, but the Torx part of it there is rounded off, so the tool is just spinning in there. I found this, and I'm hoping this works because it says remove strip screws in seconds. This is called Speed Out. There was another one that was a titanium kit for like $9. This one was $24. Apparently it's much sharper, much stronger, and lasts 10 times longer. So we're going to try this out. We're going to do a review on it because it looks like what you do is you just drill it out with the one side of the tip, and then you flip it over, and there's another side that actually extracts it, and it looks like they're the right size to fit in those holes there. So we're going to do a review on this. Hopefully this works. This would save me a huge headache. Got my package cut open here, and oh well, this is cool. Apparently it actually comes in a little tiny case, which is telling me that these are definitely going, well, not definitely because we didn't review it yet, but these are going to be reusable because you can put them back in the case and store it back in your toolbox. Pretty cool. For past experience, stuff like this, you get to use it one time and then it either works or doesn't, and then the bit's no good anymore. It does give you a little chart right there. It says complete instruction guide underneath, pull to remove. Do you guys see an instruction guide in there? Maybe it's in the packaging somewhere. Oh, and it is. So apparently there's this big warning that says not to use this with impact drivers. It wants you to use a regular speed drill here. Screw types including hex, Phillips, Torx, which is what we have, square drive, etc. After reading the instructions here, apparently we put side A, and you want to put the drill in reverse, which is counterclockwise, okay? You put that on into the screw and you go in reverse. And then this thicker side, well, the next step is you flip it, and this thicker side goes into the bolt or screw, and you go in reverse again, and it tells you to go slow. If you go too fast, you're going to strip out the hole you just did. Alright, well, you're not really going to be able to see inside of that hole there, but I do have my speed drill. I do have it on reverse going to the left, and we're gonna put it in there and see what we get here. All right, let's give it a shot. I'm gonna give it a little bit of speed. I know backing out we're not allowed to go fast, but I think going forward, just for drilling purposes, we kind of have to go a little bit faster. I can't even tell if it's drilling in or not, because the hole is recessed in. This might be better on screws that you can physically see, because I can't see if it's even going in there. We're going to have to assume that it is. Don't know. Let's flip it around. See if it extracts it out. Go slow. I don't think this review is going too good. I don't think this thing is going in there. Yeah, no. I think we probably just screwed up the bolt, because you can't see in there what's going on. too thrilled with this whole thing. I give up. Well, apparently that's not working. I don't feel like I'm doing it wrong. It's just recessed in there. I can't see if it's even doing anything. I flipped it around, tried to extract it. Nothing's happening. It really just ruined my bolt even more. So for sake of the review of the product, I am going to try it on something that's a little bit more visible right now. This right here. So on this blower here, I have this bolt here, which is stripped out and it's not coming out. So we're going to try to use it on this because I can actually see what I'm doing. And just for clarification, so what this thing is really supposed to do is the one end is supposed to drill into the center of this, okay, counterclockwise, and then your other end, you can see the teeth on it, the thread. You go the same way. It's supposed to back it out. All right. So we're gonna find an end here. Let's see. It's the smaller end that you drill in. All right. And all right. It looks like we got enough room for drilling there. And then this end would go into that and take it out. So let's go ahead and try it on here. I don't even feel like it's drilling in. I don't see any metal shavings or anything coming out. It's actually rounding the bolt off even more, which maybe that's what it's supposed to do. All right, let's flip it. I don't feel like it really even drilled in there that much. And then go in reverse. No, it's not doing anything. Speed out, I do not recommend it. $25. Very disappointed with it. I tried it on 2 different applications. So this is going to get closed, stay forever closed, and there it is in the trash. Now, I would say I would test this on like a different type of screw, maybe like a Phillips head or something like that. But honestly, those bits didn't even feel like they were digging in. They didn't grab at all. Either side, the side that's supposed to drill in, certainly wasn't. There was no metal coming out. It wasn't doing anything. And then the extraction side didn't do anything either. It really just made my situation worse. So I do not recommend the speed out. Save your money. There is other extraction kits, which I'm going to go pick one up now. They have them at auto parts stores. And they're a little bit bigger and thicker. Might be a little bit more money. I'm not sure. I thought I had a kit. If you look below in my videos, I'm pretty sure I did an extraction video maybe like 2 years ago, but I don't know where that kit is. And that kit worked. So, yeah, look through my videos. Just type stripped bolt and see if you could find that video. And I'm going to look myself to see if I could find it and go buy that kit again because I can't seem to find it. But that's my review. The speed out, I don't like it. I don't recommend it. If it worked for you and there's something maybe I'm doing wrong, leave a comment below. And that's it. Please, guys, hit subscribe below. Give me a thumbs up. I'll see you next time.